Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate System.io with WordPress. So first, log into your System.io account and set up the funnel or page you want to connect. Copy the URL of that page since this is what you'll be embedding or linking on WordPress. Now log into your WordPress dashboard. If you just want to link a System.io funnel, create a new page or post, add a button or text and insert the funnel URL. When visitors click, they will be redirected straight into your System.io funnel. If you would like a more seamless experience, you can embed System.io page inside WordPress, install a plugin that allows a frame embedding, create a WordPress page, and paste the System.io funnel URL inside the frame code. This way, your System.io funnel looks like it's part of a WordPress site for email integrations. System.io already manages your list, but you can also use forms. Create an opt-in form in System.io. Copy the embed HTML and paste into a WordPress page using the custom HTML block. Any lead who signs up will go directly into your System.io contacts, and that's how you integrate System.io with WordPress. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.